from Explore Elementor add-ons. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the free Explore Logo Grid widget for Elementor. It helps you to showcase multiple logos of your clients, partners, or sponsors in a grid layout on your website. Let me show you some real-time use cases. Here, the Logo Grid widget on a clothing website is used to highlight respected brands, partners, or exclusive collaborations, boosting the site's credibility and emphasizing its luxury status. Here is the next example. Here, the Logo Grid widget on a Mercedes website displays logos of its related brands and divisions like Maybach, Mercedes-Benz, AMG, and much more. This highlights the company's extensive network and reinforces its reputation and credibility. By displaying logos of its own brand and divisions, Mercedes highlights its broad reach and strong reputation. Before we start, please make sure to download the free version of Explore Elementor add-ons by clicking on the link given in the description below. Or you can also watch the video of how to install and activate the free version of Explore Elementor add-ons. First of all, search the Logo Grid widget from this widget panel and drag it to our desired location on this page. This is the default view of our widget. By default, there are 6 items over here, and if you want to add more items, then click on this Add Item option. Now click on each item and you'll be able to add an image from your media library. You can upload any image or logo here. Just an example, I'm choosing this one. Select and upload. And here you can paste the website URL to navigate the user direct to the website. Now we will write the brand name here. Just an example, I'm writing here Oracle. You can see, you can write the brand name here. Now let's remove this, because in my case, I'm not using the brand name here. But I believe the logo is enough and I'm just keeping it simple. You guys can write the brand name according to your preferences. Now close this item. In the same manner, you can add all the brand names and logos. So let's upload the all logos. Now we can set the image resolution. We got different resolution options like thumbnail, medium large, large, and full resolution. So I'm choosing here full resolution. Now we can choose the grid layout. In grid layout, we have 3 options: box, border, and tic-tac-toe. If I'm choosing box, you can see this is the grid layout. Now let's try the border. And look, now let's try the tic-tac. You can see, this is how it works. So I'm choosing here border. Now we can adjust the number of the columns. Like this, we have 6 column options. We are currently viewing this in 3 column options. So let's try the other one. Here is 6, 4, and let's try the 1 column. Now let's try the 6. Yeah, just like this. Now close this general section. Now that we are done with the content editing phase, it's time to jump into the styling tab. Let's do some styling of our widget. At first, here we have this height option. We can adjust the height of our logo by dragging the slider, or we can adjust the height by manually adding the number. Let's set the height to 100. You can see, it's very easy, right? You can just adjust the height of the all logos, just simply dragging the slider or by manually adding the number. A box shadow can be added from here. You can choose any color for the shadow. From here we can move the shadow to horizontally and vertically. We can also add the blur effect and the spread of the shadow from here, like this. Well, a box shadow is not needed for now, so I'm setting this to default. You can use any box shadow according to your preferences. Next, we can set the type of the border. You can add any of the given border types. But first, let me increase the border width so that I can show you how this all border will look. Let's increase the border width. We can drag the slider or we can add the numbers. Let's set the border width to 7 and you can see the border. Now let's try the double. And look. Now let's try the dotted. Also the dashed. Yeah, like this. Now we have this border color option. From here we can choose a border color. Just an example, I'm choosing here purple. Yeah, to match my theme. We can also choose the background color. In the same manner, we choose the border color. Let's try the background color to somewhat light pink. You can see this is how it works. Now we have this border radius option. Use this border radius option if you want the straight edges or round edges. Let me show you. You can adjust the border radius by simply adding the numbers to this counter. I'm setting the border radius to 50. Now let's move to the next option. Here we have this padding. Basically, padding is used to create space around the content inside the defined borders. This applies to widgets, columns, and sections. Let's try some values. You can see that padding grows the widget size and shrink the content inside. Now remove the values. Now we have the CSS filter option. These CSS filter effects allows you to apply graphic effects like blur or color shifting to images. Let me show you how it works. We can adjust the blurriness, brightness, contrast, saturation, and hue. Hope you guys are getting it in the right way that how to use these options. And lastly, here we have this opacity option. This opacity option sets the opacity level for an element. The opacity level describes the transparency level where 1 is not transparent at all, 0.5 is 50% see-through and 0 is completely transparent. Simply drag the slider to adjust the opacity, just like this. Now let's set this all option to default. I'm just keeping it simple. Now close this section and close the tab and we are done. It was super easy and quick, right? Let me know in the comments below on which add-on I should make my next video. Now let's have a final look. I hope you guys found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more videos like this.